I am going on a vacation soon and I wanted this wig like super badly. Then I had to make compromise on buying a wig from, guess where? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy, Fashion and Lifestyle by Tammy. If you're new here, hello. On this channel I create fashion content, travel content and lifestyle content. If this is one of the things you like to see or watch, then you're definitely on the right channel. So please do get to like, share, comment, subscribe, and you know what, let's just build a community of baby girls right on here. So I got this wig from SHEIN and they just got it delivered and I want to unbox with you guys and review it alongside with you guys. Fingers crossed, guys. Actually, I saw one good comment, but I don't think one good comment is enough to justify that the wig is good. So I'm going to be revealing the wig. It's a wavy wig, and then I'm going to be wearing it and styling it on my hair to see what it actually looks like. Let's go. So guys, this is the wig. It's like I said, it's a lace frontal. I don't know if this is an HD lace or a 3D lace. If you can see it, this is how it comes. This is what the inside looks like. So guys, I saw this band inside of the wig. It came with this band. It's not sewn and it has this clip. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it actually looks good. But let's try it on. Fingers crossed. I don't know, it's supposed to be 200 grams. I'm going to put the link in the video. I don't know how I feel. The texture is not the softest, like compared to what I have here and here. There's definitely a huge difference. And to be honest, I didn't buy it very expensive. I think it's less than 100 euros for a 28. I think it's 28, I'm not sure. But I'll check the description again and put it in the video. But yes, let's try it. Let me get the scissors and try to cut the lace. So this is what it looks like on my hair. I need to cut the lace. Looks good. Let's try to cut the lace. Anyway, pray I don't cut my eyes. So doing this on camera is so risky. Let's try. Let's leave it like this first, then we can of course trim it out. My hair is very much different. I do not like it sometimes, but it looks okay. And I didn't bleach it, so I think it's pre-bleached as well, because usually I would have to shade in my lace wig when I buy them, but this I'm not doing that. So I think it's a good one. It's so hard to do on camera. How do all these hair people do this thing? Goodness of God. Okay, but look at this. I think it's actually very nice. Like, I like the front. I like how it looks in front. It looks super natural. And I just want to be able to pack my hair like this. Do you know what I mean? Look at this. I just need to cut off this small lace in front. But is it shredding? That's another thing to look out for. A little bit. I don't expect it not to shred. It's not like the best of the best quality, but honestly I think it's not bad at all. Look at the back. It's not so full, but yeah, this is what you can get with less than 100 euros from SHEIN. I don't know if it's glueless as well, but yeah. The only thing I'm not really liking is the short one from the lace frontal itself. It's stopping somewhere here. I don't know, but yeah, let me try to comb it out and then I'll put mirrors and all those things. I have this yellow coil, but let's still not so full actually, but I really just like the front. It's very it gives natural. Let's try to put a lace melting spray, whatever it's called. Yeah, I'm doing rubbish, but guys, this is not how to apply it. You just put it on the lace itself before you put it on your hair. I wasn't ready to style my hair, so ignore whatever I do here. Just want to show you guys how the wig looks. in reality. I'm actually not installing so much. I just want to see what it would look like. Then for this other side as well. Then I can use my... Just to see, guys, this is not the actual way I would install if I was going to do it really. That's my use. I'm not a stylist, or I'm not a pro. I just do these things by myself, not professionally, but it's just something that looks good. Please give me no, guys. Let me do like all those Instagram people that sells hair. Shake it. So just adding in more mousse. I'm not sure it's the right thing, but it kind of makes the hair look better. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of it. It brings out the coil. Maybe I should go and add water. Guys, let me go and add water. I'll be back. So guys, with water, this is what it looks like when you sprinkle water on it. I think the colors are actually more defined. Can you see? I want all this hair that you style up like this. That's the reason I actually bought it. That you can put up this way. You know what I mean? And then the rest comes down like this. Let's see if we can achieve this. So guys, I decided to get a hot comb because I realized that if I'm going to do this thing at least good, I need proper equipment. So I got this comb and I actually removed it and put the glue properly now. Then I'm trying to press it down with this hot comb, and then I'll put the band again. Okay guys, so this is what I meant, like packing the hair like this. I'm wondering what will be left behind when I'm done, but let me try to just see what it looks like. My hands, guys. These things are always so looking easy in pictures. When it's time for you to try it like this, you just be seeing error. Okay, not bad. But trust me, I've not styled this hair well. If I style it well, let me cut this one a little bit and then... Okay guys, so honestly a lot has gone in to me trying to style this hair, to be honest. I'm getting tired. The shredding is also a whole lot, maybe not too much, but yeah, look. And then I think I really need to water the hair to make it really wet. Maybe that would reduce the shredding, but yeah, it's stressing me out trying to style. Actually, I like the HD lace. I think it's an HD lace. I really like it. I had to recut it because of my hairline. My hairline is a bit horrible, so yeah, this is what I have now. I hope to put in more water or something to just really make it flat and watery. But yeah, what do you guys think? For the upturn time, I've put this elastic band. That's also because I'm not gluing it properly, so I don't really blame me. But I'm not putting the actual glue. I'm just putting the melting spray, which still needs a glue regardless. Okay, I'm tired. I'm just going to remove the headband now, finally. And this is what I have. What do you guys think? For a 95 or a 98 euros, I think it's not a bad buy actually, to be honest, to be fair. This hair goes for way more if you want like really fluffy original hair. But I think this we can work with actually. So this is just the style I wanted. That's why I got the hair. So I can be very vain when I want a particular thing. But yeah, thank God you can afford the things you want in life, because otherwise I've just ended in my mind. Then yeah, I would actually still do this properly. Use my Eco Styler to give it proper edges. And what do you guys think? I think the lace really melts, if I'm being honest. So I'm just gonna do this, just so it slips on the hairline. If you don't want the baby hair, like I don't want it as well. And this as well. Yeah, good. So guys, this is what I can make do of this for now. I hope in my next attempt it will be better actually. But yeah, I don't think it's a bad buy. So this is the old look. I would give it now a 6/10 because I feel like the shredding is getting a little too much. And then the feeling is not hard, but it's soft, but it's not, I don't know how, it's a bit coarse. Yeah, but yeah, I think I like it. I mean, I like how it looks on my head. I'm ready. Hey. After a few more adjustments here and there, I was done, and this is the final look of the wig installation. Anyways, thank you all for watching my video up until now. I hope you like the wig, and I hope maybe you also learned how to install, even though I didn't do it properly. But don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next time I see you, God loves you, I love you too. Bye guys.